Welcome to a short series of videos to get you up and running with RayPRO, a desktop and mobile platform that allows you to effortlessly collect insightful patient-reported outcomes for 3 years after cataract surgery. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to link your surgeon account with a hospital or clinic. This is the first thing you must do after registering for RayPRO. From your main dashboard, navigate to the Settings page and then Associate Hospital. From here, you can see all of the hospitals currently listed on RayPRO. If your hospital is listed, select it from the list and click Pick Hospital, and then Add Hospital. This will now be associated with your surgeon account. If your hospital is not listed, go to the main dashboard and click Add a Hospital. From here, when you start typing the name of the hospital into the top field, RayPRO will auto-populate hospitals and clinics from around the world. Pick your hospital and it will pre-fill all of the fields below. You may have to fill in 1 or 2 additional fields. At the bottom, click Associate myself with this hospital and then Submit. You have now successfully added this hospital to your surgeon account. Now, whenever you go to add a patient or view your dashboard, these hospitals will now be options to you.